I got one question for all you awesomers out there. Have you ever wanted to become an animal? Have you ever dreamed of becoming an animal? Do you want to become an animal? Well, let's do this. Hi. What's up, Awesomers? Awesomeest142 here. And where was I? What's up, Awesomers? Awesomeest123. Be right back. That froze. We gotta close it out. That sucks. It was a cool app. So now let's do this. New face. I am President Barack Obama. I come here today to show equality. Fight for the powers. My eyes are like eyes you've never seen before. Yeah. Ooh. You touched my pancakes? I know it was you who took my pancakes. I know you took. Look at this mustache. I know you took my I know dang well you took my pancakes. I look like Drake. You used to call me on my. You used to. Yeah. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know it how lovely. That can only mean one thing. I know it how lovely. Eye of the tiger. I give that to y'all. Everybody. 'Cause I'm the lady. Hey, don't you owe me $20? I think you do. I'm a puppy. Or you can go eat. I'm legit. I'm legit a puppy. I'm a puppy. I'm a puppy and I like to dance, to shout, hooray. Don't test me, young warrior. You like me. Oh snap. Oh, so funny. Psh, so funny. Oh my God. I let myself go. I look like young Yoda. I can see the future. Alright. We entered the battle zone. We need to do this now. Don't test me. Ow. It hurts. My pain. You looking for me? Well, too bad. 'Cause I'm gonna eat you.